Hey guys, welcome to a new video. This is Halloween inspired since this is the Halloween month. So let's get into the video. I'm going to start off by priming my eyelids using the Maybelline concealer in the shade 25. And I'm going to use a flat brush to spread it evenly across my eyelid. I'm now going to use my small powder brush and set both eyelids to get a clean, perfect canvas for my eyeshadow. I'm going to use these two shades in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and these two shades in the Nouveau Neutrals palette to get this perfect shade of pink, and I'm going to use that as my transition color. Now I'm going to take this dark brown and I'm going to put it in my crease and also on the outer edges of my eyes. I'm going to take the brush that I use for my transition color and I'm going to blend out the brown so it doesn't look too harsh. But then again, I'm going to take the brown and intensify the brown on the outer edges. Now I'm taking my concealer and I'm going to start cutting my crease, but only halfway. So I'm taking my concealer brush and cutting the crease. Then I'm going to take these two pinks right here and I'm going to put it on top of the concealer. Now I'm taking the brush with the brown and blending the edges of the pink and on the outer corner. Now I'm going to take my eyeliner and make a really thin winged liner as opposed to my usual really thick ones. I'm going to take now my Black Radiance True Complexion Refining Skin Primer and I'm going to put that all over and then blend it in. For foundation today, I'm going to use the Black Radiance in the shade Honey Mocha, and I'm going to mix it with the Maybelline foundation in the shade 338, and then I'm going to use my foundation brush and just blend it all in. Now I'm going to use my setting powder and I'm going to just set my whole face before I conceal my face because I want a more smooth finished look. Now I'm going to use the Maybelline concealer in the shade 25 to highlight my whole face, and then I'm going to start blending it all in. And today for contouring, I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics contour palette, and I'm going to contour my cheekbones, my forehead, my nose, and also my jawline with it. Now I'm going to use the Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder to bake my face. And because I set my face before, the end product is going to look so smooth. Now while I'm baking, I'm going to contour my face using the Black Radiance contour palette. I'm going to use it to deepen the cream contour and set the contour. And now I'm just going to dust off all of that baking, and you'll see how it looks really smooth because I used the powder to set my foundation before. I'm going to take this blush in the Nouveau Neutrals palette and I'm going to apply that. It looks really cute for the look I'm going for today, which is kind of a Barbie Dolly look. For highlight, I'm going to take the shade Summer in Bronzed in the Glow Kit, and I'm going to use that today because I want a really subtle highlight, not too much. This is the end look for the makeup, but now we're going to start with the cracked doll look, so let's get ready. I'm going to start off by making a medium-sized hole in the middle of my forehead, and then I'm going to start making small lines going away from it, like kind of making rays. It's really hard to describe this, but it's very easy. Now I'm going to start connecting some of the lines, not all of them, and it's just going to be, we're just going to continue making lines and connecting them. It's really easy and the look is really repetitive. It's not complex. We're just going to do that for the whole look. Just keep watching. I'm going to stop talking and just come every now and then to explain what I'm doing, but continue watching. Now I'm going to start dragging the lines down to my face. I'm going to make one line go over my eye and continue it under it after that. And I'm going to, on the side of my forehead, I'm going to start making the lines go away towards my ear. Now I'm just dragging it all the way down, and I sped it up a little bit because it's really nothing to explain a lot. It's very simple to just watch and recreate if you want to. Now I'm going to use white eyeshadow to create a more 3D look to it because we want to make it really realistic and look like a doll that fell and cracked. So just follow along. I'm outlining my lips with brown lip liner, and then I'm going to use a pink lip liner on the inside of my lips. To create a glared look, I'm going to put white eyeshadow on my bottom lip, and I'm going to blend it with my pink lip liner so it doesn't look harsh or fake. Now I'm going to put my pink eyeshadow on my bottom waterline. Now I'm going to go back to finish cracking my face. I'm going to start putting it over my lips to make it look like my whole face is cracked, not just the outside of my face, but also where, you know, like my nose, my eyes, and my lips. And I'm done now. I'm setting my face, and I'm going to put on some mascara because I don't really do the false lashes. I'm going to put some pink glitter eyeshadow on the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm going to go over it with my black liner because the pink eyeshadow covered it. This is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. More looks like this are coming for this month, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.